OOP without confusion. Beginner level. Introduction. Object-oriented programming. OOP is a programming style used to organize code into objects and classes. Many modern programming languages support OOP, including Java, Python, C++, C#, Kotlin. OOP helps programmers build large and complex programs more easily. Instead of writing everything in one long program, OOP allows developers to organize code into small reusable pieces called objects. OOP is widely used in web applications, mobile apps, enterprise software, games, operating systems. Understanding OOP helps beginners learn how real-world software systems are designed. What is object-oriented programming? Object-oriented programming is a way of writing programs using objects and classes. In simple words, OOP equals organizing programs using objects that represent real-world things. Examples of objects in real life: car, phone, bank account, student. In programming, these objects contain data, properties, actions, methods. Example: without OOP, a simple program might store student information like this: student underscore name equals Alice, student underscore age equals 20, student underscore grade equals A. This works, but it becomes difficult to manage when the program grows. Example: using OOP. Using OOP, we create a class student, name equals, age equals 0, grade equals. Now we can create objects. Student1 equals student, student1.name equals Alice, student1.age equals 20, student1, grade equals A. This keeps the program more organized. Key concepts of OOP. OOP has 4 main ideas: classes, objects, encapsulation, inheritance, polymorphism. Let's understand them simply. Class explained. A class is a blueprint for creating objects. In simple words, class equals a template used to create objects. Example: class car, brand equals, speed equals 0. This defines what a car object looks like. Object explained. An object is an instance of a class. Example: car1 equals car, car1, brand equals Toyota, car1, speed equals 120. Here, car is the class, car1 is the object. Real-life analogy. Think about car manufacturing. The factory uses a car design blueprint. The blueprint represents the class. Each car produced from that blueprint is an object. So, class means blueprint, object means actual item. Methods. Functions inside classes. Objects can also perform actions. Example: class dog, def bark, self, print, woof. Quote: create an object. Dog1 equals dog, dog1, bark, output, woof. The function bark belongs to the object. Encapsulation. Simple explanation. Encapsulation means protecting data inside an object. Example: class bank account, def underscore underscore init underscore underscore. Self. Balance. Self. Balance equals balance. The balance is stored safely inside the object. Encapsulation helps keep data organized and secure. Inheritance explained. Inheritance allows one class to reuse another class's features. Example: class animal, def speak, self, print, animal sound, class dog, animal, pass. The dog class automatically inherits the speak method. This helps reduce duplicate code. Polymorphism explained. Polymorphism means one method behaving differently depending on the object. Example: class dog, def speak, self, print, woof. Class cat, def speak, self, print, meow. Both classes use the same method name speak, but produce different results. Why OOP is important. Object-oriented programming helps developers organize large programs, reuse code, reduce duplication, build scalable systems. Most professional software uses OOP principles. Example: simple OOP program. Class person. Def __init__ self. Name. Self.name equals name. Def say _hello. Self. Print. Hello. My name is. Self.name. Person1 equals person. Alice. Person1.say _hello. Output. Hello. My name is Alice. This shows how objects can store data and perform actions. Real-life example. Bank account. A bank account object might include properties, account number, balance, owner name, actions, deposit money, withdraw money, check balance. This structure matches real-world objects. Common beginner mistakes. Beginners sometimes misunderstand OOP. Cross-mark thinking classes and objects are the same. Class equals blueprint. Object equals instance created from blueprint. Cross-mark writing everything in one class. Large programs should use multiple classes. Concepts learned from OOP. Understanding OOP helps beginners learn. Checkmark program organization. Checkmark code reuse. Checkmark real-world modeling. Checkmark software design. OOP is a fundamental skill for professional developers. Where OOP is used. Object-oriented programming is used in many areas, including web development, mobile applications, game development, enterprise systems, operating systems. Languages like Java and C# rely heavily on OOP. Simple definition. Object-oriented programming. OOP. A programming approach that organizes code using classes and objects. Final summary. Object-oriented programming helps developers structure programs using objects that represent real-world entities. The main ideas include classes, objects, encapsulation, inheritance, polymorphism. By understanding these concepts, programmers can build large and organized software systems. OOP makes programs easier to maintain, reuse, and scale.